Sometimes it can feel like you're being stalked online. You know, when those ads for Jimmy Choo shoes keep popping up reminding you to buy them and you have to go back and buy them. Technology is very clever, and these days we're all being tracked, whether you like it or not. It's happening. But don't worry, I think most of it is used for good and not evil. And channels like Facebook use information to service more relevant information. So we want to stay longer on their channel and we're more engaged because the content is relevant to us. If you run Facebook ads, you know that you need to have your Facebook pixels set up. And the same type of thing can be done on your website. It's called remarketing, and it can be done in a number of ways, including on Google, Facebook, and on other software tools that can follow you after you have visited a website. It's pretty clever stuff. As we spoke about in the last video, using tracking codes or cookies, no, not the kind you can eat, can be a very effective tool to stay in touch with prospects. So when they're ready to take action or to buy, they contact you. If you want to know more, then get in touch with me and start a digital conversation. I'm Tanya Williams, and never let anyone dull your sparkle.